Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody is doing well. Well, yesterday's targets were all thing. Okay, now let's see what the markets are for the day. So let's. So we are here on the US30 chart. It's a daily time frame, and here we see that the market is currently trying to, be in a range since yesterday. As yesterday, the US cash market was closed, and today the cash market is open. So let's see how the market is going to behave before that. But I see some sort of a retracements coming up before the market opens. So let's see the different aspects in the MACD. If you would see, the MACD is in a bullish mode though on a daily side, since it had made some retracements yesterday. Now on the RSI, it's looking to the downside on a daily time frame. RS, the stochastic is also overbought, so some retracements are still expected. And the DMI is on a bullish zone. Now looking into the 4-hour charts, let's see what the 4-hour charts are saying. And here, let's see this is in a range. If you see, the market is in a range in 3 days, right? If candle represents these days. Now let's see. For it, for so 4-hour charts, if you see, there's a downward slope. Okay, it's a downward slope. Today's rise is on the support. I will let you know as we progress. Here, the 4-hour, the MACD is also converging to sell side. So retracements are expected. So it's not uh, this is, the current levels are not good for an entry for a long. RSI is also looking downwards. Stochastic is also looking downwards. Only the DMI is in a the direction movement is still on it. So that after a fall, maybe we can not fall. I would say after some retracement, we can see the trend getting back to a bullish zone. We'll have to see what the market news and the things are going. So let's see what it says. Now on the 1 hour chart, see 1 hour chart. This has been trading between 34,100 and 80, so 300. Just swinging around this. You see. So swinging around this area, if you would see. Let's see what the indicators are saying on the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour also it is showing some sort of maybe some sort of a retracement downside, right? As is already looking to the downside, stochastic also downside. So hence we can see some sort of retracement, and let's see what the retracements and what can be the levels for the day before the market is in range. Levels can be very good for the day. So let's see. So the USA Dow Jones, the 34,300 current level for the day. The targets can be 380, 430, and 540. It can go and beyond that. Let's see how it's going to uh, work out today. So, but I'm expecting 3 to 500 points of movement in case I'm seeing after a retracement of if the market comes down up to 34,100 and so. And short entries only recommended below 34,100 only because before that it can make immediate reversals. Sentiments will be still bullish. You can make it reverse. The targets for after 34,120 can be 34,8, 34,20 and 33,980. 33,980 is going to be a very strong support for the day. So that 33,800 is a strong support. Let's hope it doesn't go in such a manner. And short stop losses can be 34,200. No trade zone is between 34,120 and 34,300. Daily trend is an uptrend and considering this cash sessions in levels. And the monthly and weekly is still on a consolidation. Case strong support is 390 and the strong resistance will be 300. Very strong resistance after that 34. 30 is very good. Next resistance. So we have something coming up here that is German CPI, then UK payment and all this, and German business outlook is sorry German economic zone sentiment, and Japan Bank of Japan is going to have some outlook report for the year. So all this will bring in swings and volatility in the market. So be careful with your entries because if your entries are right, then you have to take minimal stop. So let's move on to the next NASDAQ. Okay, we are in the 1 hour chart on NASDAQ, and the story NASDAQ is a bit different on a daily chart because it has reversed from this 563 and also tried to trade something around 450 zone. This as I prepare this level story. Now, MACD on a daily is still on a the RSI words and sucker and directional movement is still on a bear side. That only a positive can the bullish zone is only up to 13,000. Hence, let's see what the time frames are indicating. On a 4 hour chart, let's see on a 4 hour chart, if you see the market is still in a range between 480 to 580, and 580 is going to be very strong resistance for the day. 4 hour also, the MACD is on a sell indication, and RSI is also looking downwards. Still, it's on a neutral zone, I would say, but stochastic is already downside, so we can see some retracement until 11,300. That's the probability before the cash sessions, I guess, or maybe after the cash session opens, in case the market remains in range. Okay, and DMI is still on a bearish side. The 1 hour charts. See the 1 hour charts. MACD is already converging to the sell side, and RSI is also looking downwards, and stochastic is also looking downwards. Now, GMI is on a neutral zone, I would say. So, MACD and stochastic are enough for us levels for the time. So, let's see what are the intraday levels for the day on NASDAQ. For a NASDAQ, the entry what I will be suggesting I will be entering is only at 11,500. The targets are 40 points away. The first two targets, one is 11,620, 680 and 11,730. And after that 11,800 is going to be very strong resistance. Long stop losses can be 11,480 in case you see some swings. Rather, if you can 11,460, that will be better because the chances are that can come to levels before that week trend, which is on an uptrend. If it's 11,580 and beyond, if it wants to move. And short and maybe short and targets is 11,420 and 11,380. Excuse me, probably 11,460 please ignore. So actually after 11,460 it is the immediate target will 11,440, 420 and 11,380. And short stop losses can be 11,520. Remember that until 11,300 there is a very good support. So the markets can retrace between these. It will be very careful. Only swing trades. Okay, so high volatility is expected in NASDAQ, especially. Trade zone between 11,460 to 500. Right, daily trade is currently on a consolidation, and we is still on the down. First support is then 11,300. Some can try if you have idea about reading the indicators, and if you see that 11,380, if it has taken support, you can try to make an enter and try to exit at a loss. In this way you can uh, swings. Strong resistance 11,580, then 11,800. These are going to be resistance for the trend reversal scenario on 13,000. Let's look onto the DAX. Okay, so we are in the DAX daily chart. So here, see, as I had expected yesterday, clearly said that the markets were overbought and we can see some retracement, and it has done so, and most of the targets were met on the DAX. Now let's see what is the story for the day. Now see, this is just in the range. Okay, this market is only depending on the US futures as how it works, and based on that, it is making its movement. Now currently, the MACD on a daily is still on a no on a bullish side. Break the chart. So this is also our MACD will be looking to the sell side again for the day. That's what it is indicating. And stochastic, if I see the stochastic is also looking downwards. Now it's already overbought again, and RSI is looking downwards on a daily chart, but the directional movement is still on it this side. Now on a 4-hour chart, so this is if you see the candles, this is on a downward slope. So I'm expecting some retracements here, but it has got beautiful supports all over. So you won't even if you take a trade, you don't get here. You do not risk. So the risk reward is very bad. It's not very attractive here. So because it has got a lot of resistance and supports each one. Now how the if the sentiment gets too bad or too wide, we can see good returns. Currently, anyway, this is on the forward also indicating a bearish move. Stochastic is already stochastic in downwards, and so currently this market is going to be in range today. Now let's see what the chart is saying. On the 1 hour chart, this is on the undecisive mode, I would say. So maybe we can see some sort of on a 1 hour as per the charts. Now it says some sort of a little bit of pullback is expected. Little bit of on the daily, it can just come to some resistance and then it can go back to its original trend. And the same is the storage stochastic. It is trying to go up, and RSI is also trying to converge from here to a buy side. So until the market opens, maybe some sort of movements, bullish movements are expected. And now looking to this, let's see what's the targets for the day for DAX. So for DAX, I would enter only at 11,500, 15,200, and my targets will be 15,270 and 15,320. I'm not expecting this to go beyond 15,270 actually. In some market, same thing is expected with any news. Either side, some movements can be gone. Now stop loss can be 15,160 for the left side, and short entries is below recommended to the 1580. And targets can be 1520, 14,950, and 14,950 is going to be a very, very strong support. Short stop loss is 15,120, and not trade zone between 1580 and 15,200. Okay. Only for the daily trend is on consolidation, monthly is on consolidation. Support is 15,180, and strongest support is 15,950, and strong resistance is 15,350. So that's all for today. So thank you. Please, I would appreciate if you hit like button and subscribe and leaving your comments, as this would encourage me to bring in more of these and bring in more forex tips and can enjoy this journey with me. Thank you. Thank you.